Folks, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel tremendously. This is the LVX MPP Solar. That's the LVX system that I have here. I'm about to turn it on. I'll do a few tests on it for you guys, because this is my third one, guys. It works pretty good. I like it. I think there's some changes made on this. I just got a brand new box. It came in a couple of weeks ago. Today is the day for me to test this thing out. Okay, I got a little bit of sun. I'm gonna try 2 panels. I'm gonna try as many panels as possible, but I know one cannot work because my panel is 36 volts, so 39 volts, something like that. So I'm gonna try 2 panels, see if it works. Because the previous one I had doesn't work with 2 panels. It doesn't. So let's see what happens, guys. Guys, this is the size of the inverter. This is the back. I mean, this is the other side. But it's typical the same. Okay. You got input, and then you got the input PV, and then the input DC. And then you have the output AC, and the input AC. This is charge. This is AC. This is work for everything, guys. Really nice machine. And I'm gonna get my neighbor trying to make me to help me carry it in the backyard, on the garage. Okay, guys, I'll take this unit off because there's no need to keep it there. So I wanted to see while I'm here, because it's difficult back there. There's 4 screws on the side. There's 2 screws on the side, 2 screws on the other side. So we take them off, they come off. Okay, this is how this thing looks like inside. This is for the PV, and the other 2 here is for the power. Okay, and basically this is for the input. I'm gonna use, see, there's 4 wires there. I'm gonna use the neutral. I'm gonna use L1 and the neutral. I will explain that. I will use L1, guys. L1 and the neutral to bring the power inside the house. I won't be doing anything fancy with it. I'm just gonna let it run for a while. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. I'm about to plug some of the stuff first. Okay, now we're gonna plug the battery. Okay. The battery shouldn't be nothing going on, because this is 28 volt until I put this thing in. Okay, so until I put this one in. This is 24 volt, guys. I'm going to try to plug it in. Okay, there shouldn't be nothing turned on. So the board is not on it. So let's check the batteries here, guys. I'm going to plug this thing here. I don't think I have tools for this. I may have the tools for that. You're gonna take the positive. This is the positive, guys. This is the positive. Why I know it's the positive? Because this wire goes to the positive. You gotta double check that, guys. You see, this is the positive. Always check the positive of the wires, otherwise you're gonna have a problem. That's what I'm having there, guys. Now I plug the positive. This is the positive coming here. This is positive next to it. I have the negative going over there. If you see this, thing only goes with the negative. So that's for this guy here. Okay, so now, guys, I'm gonna turn the power on because I have no power in here. So it's kind of hot in here. I'm gonna turn the power on. So I need to plug some wires in here. Let me do this one first before I plug the power, guys. Okay, I'm gonna bring 2 wires here, guys. I'm gonna use the L1 and the neutral. I'm gonna use the L1 and the neutral for the power. Okay, guys, I bring the power on. I had the L1, and I have the neutral. I think the white is the neutral. Okay, folks, now I'm ready to go. I'm going to plug this thing later on for the PV, because the wire is there. I got to unplug this thing, but I know the panel is not enough. See, so they are in series at 2. I gotta bring in that 3. So now guys, I'm gonna plug the power in here because the battery was disconnected. I'm gonna go plug it in. Okay folks, I have the power turned on. This thing's already light up. You give me 57 volt. Everything's look good guys. I'm ready to turn this thing on. Okay, now this is a plug here. This is this cable here guys. Gotta plug it in. I should be able, I'm leaving this thing outside like this. I think I can put it in guys. I want to see. Hold on. Okay guys, let me put this thing down like this. Oh, my hand turned this thing on guys. Okay, my hand turned this thing on. I only have L1. I don't know why it's making noise, but oh, because of the output, the input. We don't have no voltage for the input guys. My hand pressed this thing on. So let's see if I had power. I'm gonna turn the lights on guys to see if I have power. Okay, all right, let me see there's no errors. What's going on guys? I got lights guys. So I have light. The light was already on, so I have light. 120 volt. This thing's working 100%. Okay, now I have power guys. So now I need to disconnect this, go back outside. I have to take this thing off. I gotta turn this thing off and do the whole thing again to put the thing right here. Basically guys, I'm gonna take let me go ahead and do that. It's raining outside. I don't think I may be able to do the thing today guys. Okay folks, I had to do this to show you guys why it's very important. That's what I'm telling you guys. My errors will not be yours. That's what I'm telling you. I had a couple panels guys that I burned the things in the back of them because I plugged it the wrong way. Right now I plugged these panels the right way. I believe I did. So there's no voltage coming in because it's on the dark time. If I turn the light off, this is how it looks like. So yes, I have a flashlight to give me some light on the panels. I need to have some voltage. Any flashlight will give you something on the panels. Right now I have about 4 volt coming from the panels because of this light here. If I shut the light off, I got point something. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside, check the voltage with you guys. Okay folks, always double check the wires. I double check the wires. Okay, always double check the wires, man. I had the positive in there and give me a positive voltage in here, so that's why this thing is fine. I'm about to plug it in guys. That'll be the end of this video. I'm gonna plug it in and turn the power on now. Let me go ahead and do that. Now I'm back. I remove these things out of it. I plug it in here. Now I'm gonna show you the voltage guys. This is what we have here. Okay, this is what we have. See, the voltage went up to 5 because I put some light on the solar panel. I put some light in there, so we're good. Let me show you the light. See how it is? Earlier it was less than that guys. It was less than that. Let me show you what I got outside. Put some light in. The light that was here. So that's the voltage that we have there. See, it's a positive also. That's when the wires go to the right place. Now I can come back and turn on the thing here. Okay folks, I put everything back on. Power is on. The solar is on. Everything is plugged in guys. Everything is plugged in. This is the beast. Pretty nice machine guys. So I can turn this thing on now. Okay, everything's running fine. Let's turn up the light here. Pretty soon the light gonna come on guys. Now I have power in the house. I got power in the garage, guys. This is running smooth. Everything's plugged in. I'm at 57 volt. There won't be that much sun tomorrow, guys. I wanted to run this thing all night, so most likely on Sunday night I may be running this thing all day. Probably fill up the batteries. Okay. This is what we have. We're back. I'm taking 2 amp out of the battery. It's not possible. The voltage at 57. Taking 52 watts. 52 watts out of the L1. I'm using L1, guys. This is L2. There's nothing coming out of it. So I may have I may have 2 other videos because I'm fighting with the Wi-Fi, guys. I'm fighting with the Wi-Fi. It's not working for me for the time being, but I believe this machine changed a little bit compared to the one I had before. This is where you can have a generator. This thing will start the generator for you. This thing has a generator. You can start it. And this is for battery monitor. They have something like that in here. And you guys have to look at the manual, so see how you can work it out. But I will have some more videos on this machine for you guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, guys. Help the channel. There's not too many videos on this machine. Okay, I'm gonna try to fill up the battery, and at 8 o'clock, probably on Sunday, trying to run the whole house with it. Let's see what the performance is. Right now I'm at 56 volts. I was at 57 a couple minutes ago. Oh, this is similar to this one here. Folks, this is the end of this video. I'll show you how to set it up. It was not that difficult. I'm used to this. There's a couple screws I gotta put in here, guys. One in here, and I think it's one in here, one in there, and one in here, and 4 screws I gotta put back in there. They're on my packet. Until then, guys, take care.